Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Jylla kan sa Pynlong ya kamok exercise nak bentabon Pynkhreh lada Lashai Thma ginong shun ka Pynlong haka arpu sautarik ya yong arhajar arpu henriu kata Lashai ka sengi tho dia hakani kamok exercise andan kajing Pynpah Siren bat kajing Pynlip light ka Pynlong haboro ki district jong ka Jylla ban shim benta da ki kinhun bakongsan bakentup ki sipai sun ki sipai ki pulit ki SDRF home guards civil defense wardens and volunteer fire and emergency service nak tenat kakot kakya ketenat Bording SDMA DDMA DIPR ki dorbar shnong bat baro kinong senshar shnong ki NCC NSS NYKS bat kiwe yakni kamok exercise lapendong de Directorate of Civil Defense and Home Guards Meghalaya nagjing betha ke Directorate General of Fire Service Civil Defense and Home Guards nak tenat kampo yeng ke Sarkar India yakni kamok exercise lakhot kum ka Armex 1 2026 kabandan arbenta kata kabenta baningkong kan kentup ikajing ajing arab kajing Pynkhreh kajing kamding kajing pelat em kajing ajing sumar kaba arpat ka kentup ika Siren ban Pynpah lada Lashai Thma na sun bat kajing Pynlip Bording ha kabenta baningkong anle kapor lai biji janmiet bat an penkut kapor sau biji janmiet hakani kapor an Pynpah Siren kapor lai biji janmiet habor ki district ban ai kadak badan kajing Thma na sun bat ban sedang ya kamok exercise nang ta kandan biang kajing Pynpah Siren hakapor sauji janmiet ban aidak bikinong shun kila let phai niki tiar yada ka India kila yo penjot niki namding niki drone jong kinong shun bat kumjuru balakut kamok exercise hakbenta ka ba arpat ka ba kam kongsan namar bakadan kam ni kajing trilang ki pat ba hakba an Pynpah ya ka Siren hakapor nyo beje janmiet ban aidak badan kajing Thma na sun ringkat kajing Pynlip Bording halor kani lukin tui ki pat ba begini shimmentalang hakamok exercise dak ba Pynlip beki light ki inverter bat baro ki tolong Pynlip light kajing Pynlip light kan long ar minute kabankut hakapor nyo ar minute janmien bat habaladap kani an Pynpah ka Siren ban pen idak bu unong shun umdon shu bat balakut ka exercise uba bi mukhim joint director civil defense and SDRF ulong ba ka badan kambha ketika exercise kadai ke benta ka baar baki pat ba ki hab ban trilang dak ba Pynlip beki light bat kani kajing thmu kalong ban penpulom no e kajing thmu unong shun ban pen hab bom ne penjulor ye jaka khnang beki nong shun kin omla ban ui kumta ula kerpa de ki pat ba ban snok tilang ban Pynlip beki light ki inverter bat baro ki jingshai khnang ba kani kajing Pynkhreh kan long ka job ula penshai beki pat ba kimri ban tiang namar kani kalong kajing hikai bat kajing Pynkhreh Let's say you don't getting Thombor hadian habot khnang bu upat ba uday banlong ubalakre.
Present here during such a short notice. Actually, the conference was called. The main agenda of the conference is that Meghalaya will be conducting a statewide civil defense mock exercise. That is tomorrow, 24th April 2026. The mock exercise on air raid and blackout will be conducted in all districts of the state involving all important stakeholders such as the Air Force, Army, the Police, the State Disaster Response Force, SDRF, Home Guards, CD, wardens and volunteers, etc. The name of the exercise will be termed as Armex, which is air raid exercise part 1, so Armex 1. It will be conducted in 2 stages. Namely, stage 1 will be comprising of simulation on search and rescue operations, fire response, evacuation and even medical response extra because we'll be roping in all these health departments as well as power departments, even the SDMA and DDMA. Stage 1 will commence from 3 p.m. and we intend to conclude it at 4 p.m. And stage 2 basically will consist of the blackout, which will be for 2 minutes from 7 to 7:02 p.m. So in stage 1, the civil defense sirens will be sounded at 3 p.m. Noon in all districts of the stage to indicate the signaling of an air raid and commencement of the mock exercise. Again, during stage 1 of the mock exercise, the CD siren will be sounded at 4 p.m. to indicate the all clear signal, which my colleague will be elaborating to you. And also after the conclusion of the mock exercise and demobilization and regrouping of all the stakeholders and participants in the mock exercise, which will have a debriefing after that.
At 4:30.
At 4:30, yeah. In the second stage of the mock exercise, that is stage 2, the civil defense will be sounded at 7 p.m. like I told you in the evening to signal an air raid and the commencement of a blackout, which will be a statewide blackout. Here the general public is strongly requested to kindly participate in the mock exercise by switching off their lights, inverters and all sorts of illuminations as a mock practice of the blackout. This will only work with the participation of the general populace. The cooperation of all the Dorbar Shlongs via the Rangba Shlongs, the village elders, proprietors of the especially futsal grounds is also sought for the successful conduct of the simulation. The general public is requested to kindly participate wholeheartedly in this whole exercise because this is conducted in the interest of national security, and the directive has came from MHA as well, that is with even the PMO's office being interested in this mock exercise. So as part of the civil defense preparedness for protection and safeguarding of the civilian lives during conflict and wars, civil defense mock exercise on air raid will henceforth be conducted every year with the aim of generating public awareness and preparedness.
Di ka jingmu hi jong kani ka press conference bangi khot kalong ba nginyo ban penchai syaki syaupai ba Sepang kani ka mock exercise ka bangin le Lashai kata kalong apsau tu jong benai April yayong kani ka mock exercise kandai ka mock exercise ka ba ar ka bangin le halor ka air raid lane ka jing ka attack no lane ka jing thombor na sun beneng na ki nongshon foreign countries, any foreign country mo kanuno ka ri ka ba long shon ni kari India kemud kani mo exercise kadai ya kata ka phan barbor ngi Jylla nabenta ujumai andre kani ka sin ngila halor ka jing thombor naki ki kiri ki banaba lingba ki ling sun lingba ki missiles but kumbangi la syam hakini ki Thma banang sudap ka sendur ka Iran waru ngila baki la penon kamru ya ka ki drones. Di yakni ka mock exercise ni la ai kerteng ka Armex 1 but yakni ka mock exercise ngin le artli ki bentah ka bentah beningkong ngin yo ban le yaki search and rescue operations ngin le yaki fire response ngin le yaki medical response ha keleng ki districts jong ka state mo hangi hanong ba Shlong ru ngin le pat ha keleng ki district jong ka Jylla ngin le ikini ki search and rescue operations kini ki yu kani ka bentak beningkong dan ka stage 1 katakan sedang kumbai laong isa menne kan katakan sedang hakapor lai beje kan pa ka Siren jong ka civil defense ban peni ba kalawan kani ka jing hyar Thma jong ki nongshon de ha bakumta kemud kan sedang kani ka kemud uni missile kumbangila kani ka scenario jong ni ong ba undon way missile uban land ban impact hante ha 101 area di tendon sa ki drone spot ki ban attack hakeling ki benta jong ka Sor Shlong kuma Shlong ibu poini sok hotel Pynkhreh ka Saint Edmunds College ka Saint Anthony's school di kani ka stage 1 ka kini ki ban saja di nadu lai beji kan sedang kani ka operations ban yo ban yarap ikini ki ba sitom ban yo ban penlan em ki brio ban Pynlip ding ta tater di hakapor sau beji ban na akan sadon ka all clear signal pat kani ketika rukom ka pair pat jong kani ka air raid siren jong ka civil defense siren mo dia katakan peni pat ba uni unong shun ula lek hai biang dan lane ka kani ka air defense jong ka India kala la ban ban tackle kan niki tekemut bagamdan suka threat tekemut kala akut kani ka operation dia baru ke operation genkut nanti baru kini kita sementara ingin saya yalang akan ika state emergency operation center bagi nyok pandai apa dia debriefing kapor South Shiteng. Di hakani ka stage 1 ko banong yapi ki ka jingi sebentar kalau along baik kepala pelan lupa mo ki patba kim don bentah kani kalau along baik ya ki tanat ki baper ki bandia senrop lang ki bandia snok ti lang bat ke department jungi ban le kani ka exercise ka bentah ka bokongsan ka bangi don kam hai ka jing ya trailang jung ki patba abangi don kam jung ya snok ti lang jung patba ka di ka stage 2 ka bangin Pynlong ya ka blackout exercise ka blackout exercise ka thong jung ka long ba dakaba Pynlip yaki light borok haka nongba haka borok benta juga Jylla ni penpulom no yaka jeng temu jong unong sun kan aba wan ban hair haka airspace ngi mo ban penhap bom ne wan penjulor yaki jaka beper haka nongba jungi keniat nila ban penpulom no yaka jeng temu jong ki dakabangi Pynlip light baki niki nong sun kimla ban yoi mo di takadau kalong ka kongsan untuk tata bah hakani por bangi le ikani ka blackout exercise kipat ba borok ki di bani snok tilang dak ba Pynlip ki light ha ka yeng Pynlip ki inverter nanta kanu ka source of illumination mo kanu ka jingshai jing tebe ikini borok habdi ban Pynlip no nang bangin na ban achieve kata ka total blackness total blackout mut salon sar borok kijaka kan yong ti katakan ban sedang ya kata apa kadai ka signal kadai ka air raid siren kan kabangin pensawa lingba ki siren ki bangin adon ha borok ki district ha ka por new beje ti kata ka siren kan ne ko 5 minit bat ngan sapin sengap ya pi hadien ka kalong pumno kata ka siren mo ti ondal adap 5 minit pila ya kipat ba borok kila isnok tilang bangi kila ya Pynlip ya kilait borok di hadi kapor new lala ar menit pat ngin sapen pat ya ka all clear signal katar kolong daka wei daka sur jongka siren di kani kumba ar menit bat kani pat kan peni ba uni unong shun don shu kan uni unong shun don shu ka jing thombor bat ki pat ba ki la ban beteng yang iki kam ki jam jengki dikemut haka por new lala ar menit pat upat ba baro un Pynlip ki light mo di ngakwa ban pensyai hang ni ba ya ki pat ba kim di ban long kusiar kim di ban tieng lane ban ra ki khubor ham saya gumta namar kani kalong kamok exercise lane ka jing hikai bat ka jing Pynkhreh let's see yo don kini ki attacks kini ki jing thombor hadin habot ma ublei hi sya hi kata tang balong let's see la don pat kum kita ki attacks kum bangila i dangsen aka operation sendur kan la don kini ki jingja ti upat ba udi banlong bala khre upat ba udi banlong batip bakai ka kamram jungu ka bo un yada yala dia mo namar kadi na benda ka jingha jungu upat ba hi bo un save ka life lajong di takadau ka jing snok ti lang jung upat ba ka jing yesem benta lang jung upat ba kalong ka bakong san hadu tata haka jing le mo exercise jungi house nam bal adap hu banai me bon ki bala kan tho ba ki penon kam da ka siren tray de kam de kum ta mo kani ka siren ko ba ngi jupen pa ka por shipho beje bat san beje man ka singi ka de ka siren jung ka civil defense ka jing thumu jongi bangin Pynpah kini siren man la ka singi ka de bangin pentikna ba ki trekam di kasujar khat bangi Pynpah haka to por shipho beje bat san beje bat shipho beje bat South Shiteng haki por telang mo tambahkan ni ka de ka siren jung civil defense kam de ka siren ka ban sedang tre ban white tre mo dia menta tapi ailat yang ngan pensengau pi air raid warning siren dan ka red signal ka bangi ong mo dikata kemut ban peni ba kandon ka jing thombor nasun beneng dikani ka kadika jing sawa to banun sim ka po ba ka bahya
Variation
mo
is there.
kadon ka fluctuation kakiu bakahyar kamlong renti mo tekani kamut ka jing ka signal jung ka jingmu jung ka kalong ban ong ba kan wan ka jing thombor nan sun beneng mo dan mendapat ngan pensengap BP kanika all clear. To kani ka nabenta kani mo exercise Lashai ya kani ka air rate warning mo ka red signal ngin Pynpah tang 1 minute kadi ka siren ka balong queue hiar kani ka all clear pat nane ka balong la ja uni nongsun di kani pat ngin pensawa ar minute mo kani pat kuma piyok so balong ka barenti ka siren kamdon ka jing queue kamdon ka jing hiar kalong renti be salon sar